Hi friends, today's topic is optics. What is optics? Optics means generally the study of light. Study of light, that means its nature as well as its property. Or we can say basically the study of light is known as optics. What is light? One question. What is light? We know about that light is a form of energy which makes object visible. In junior classes, we already studied it. We have studied it. When light falls on any object, that object is visible to us. Means light enables us to see the object. Also, this definition can be written like as it is that part of electromagnetic spectrum which help us to see various objects. So dear friends, the second point is more important because it has a great concept inside this statement. It is that part of electromagnetic spectrum which help us to see various objects. Now, why and how electromagnetic spectrum is connected with this light concept? Dear friends, we know that light is electromagnetic waves in nature. It has electric character as well as magnetic character. So here we are going to discuss about electromagnetic spectrum. So electromagnetic spectrum, if we study the wavelength of the mm, spectrum, that is wavelength increasing order. First it is coming gamma rays, then it is coming X rays, then it is ultraviolet rays. In between that, this is Vibgyor, then infrared rays, microwaves, radio waves. So Vibgyor is coming under where there is, we can say the light is coming under the Vibgyor part. Vibgyor part means its wavelength is approximately 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. In some book it has written there 3600 or 3800 angstrom to 8000 angstrom or 7600 angstrom or 7800 angstrom. Before to Vibgyor, it is gamma rays, X rays, ultraviolet rays, and infrared, microwaves, radio waves. These are not visible to us. We are only that is Vibgyor part is visible to us, and this part is known as our light. So we can say that in we can define in another way. It is that part of electromagnetic spectrum or the Vibgyor part of electromagnetic spectrum which help us to see or which enable us to see the various objects, that is light. Dear friends, it is written there the wavelength of electromagnetic spectrum in between 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. Focus on this part, 4000 angstrom to 8000 angstrom. If we convert it into meter, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. So this 4000 angstrom will be 4000 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter, which will give you 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. If you convert it into centimeter, so its value is coming under 0.0004, 0 point triple, that is double zero again double 0.04 centimeter. It's the minimum wavelength and its maximum wavelength is 0.00008 centimeter. Dear friends, keep this in mind because this thing will may very clear, will from this thing you will get very clear about ray optics, wave optics. This values, that is minimum wavelength is a double 0.00004 centimeter and maximum is approximately 0.00008 centimeter. So generally we can say optics, it is a branch of physics, deals with the study of light. These are of two types, ray optics, another is wave optics. So ray optics is also known as geometrical optics and wave optics is known as physical optics. So what is the difference between ray optics and wave optics, how can you differentiate, or how can you find which part or which phenomena is comes under ray optics, which comes under your wave optics. So in ray optics we deal with the particle nature of light, but in wave optics we deals the wave nature of light. The second point is it deals with those objects whose dimensions of the size are much bigger than the wavelength of light, and it deals with those objects whose size are comparable to wavelength of light. Dear students, in the last just before I had told you the wavelength, minimum wavelength is almostly 0.0000 that is 0.0.4 centimeter होची minimum wavelength, maximum wavelength होची 0.408 centimeter. This is the minimum wavelength and maximum wavelength of the light. तो आम ए जो ऑब्जेक्ट साथी यही वेवलेंथटा डील करुच्ची, जदि से ऑब्जेक्टर साइज ये वेवलेंथर साइज पाखापाखि हम ताल सहीटा आमर आसो, दैट पार्ट विल कम टू आवर वेव ऑप्टिक्स, जोटा कि आमर एग्जांपल देइछे स्लिट्स एंड होल्स पाखापाखि कंपेरेबल रहिबो। किंतु जदि सेही ऑब्जेक्टर साइज मोर देन दैट वेवलेंथ हम ताल आमर ताको रे ऑप्टिक्स अंडर नहीं के आसीबा। तो मैंने पढ़ीच सच ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर लेंस, प्रिज्म, टेलीस्कोप, मिरर। गोटे मिरर जस्ट सिंपल एग्जांपल मिनिमम 2-4 सेंटीमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर 3 सेंटीमीटर 5 सेंटीमीटर आम मिरर अवेलेबल होची। सही कंपैरिजन जदि तुम कंपेयर करिवो, द वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इज वेरी 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 स्मॉलर देन द साइज ऑफ द मिरर। जदि ऑब्जेक्टर साइज वेवलेंथ साइज ठू बा वेवलेंथ डायमेंशन अधिक हुए ताल सेटा रे ऑप्टिक्स आसीबो। ऑब्जेक्टर साइज बा जो डीलिंग ऑब्जेक्टर साइज if it is comparable to wavelength of light, that is example slits and holes, then it will come under your wave optics. So here in a ray optics we always deal with the phenomena like reflections and refractions, but in wave optics the phenomena are interference, diffractions, polarization are the phenomena it is coming under our wave optics. The ray optics phenomenon can be seen by naked eyes. Reflection or refraction आम डे टू डे लाइफ रे प्राय naked eyes रे देखि पारुचे, but wave optics रा phenomena, the phenomena cannot be seen in naked eyes. आम naked eyes रे देखि पारिबा नाही। जनरली डे टू डे लाइफ रे से जिनसटा भी होउची, but it is not as like we can see through our eyes, just like reflection and refraction। जेमिति आम reflection और refraction को दैट इज देखिपर डे टू डे लाइफ रे प्राय एवरी मोमेंट रे फील करूचे, एटारे होउची किंतु हम सेटा को विजिबल हति हेई पारु नाही हमको। एंड हियर इन रे ऑप्टिक्स इट डील्स विथ द माइक्रो लेवल ऑब्जेक्ट्स, मान जो डीलिंग ऑब्जेक्ट सेटा माइक्रो लेवल रे, आ वेव ऑप्टिक्स रे हमर सब क्वांटम लेवल फेनोमेनन ये इन इट डील्स विथ द क्वांटम लेवल फेनोमेना। यंग स्लिट डबल एक्सपेरिमेंट रे जो होल्स बा स्लिट रे गैप रे क्वांटम लेवल साइज रे छोटो छोटो साइज रे हम जोटा कहूचे। सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ray optics and wave optics. So dear friends, आज ये लेक्चर टाक भल भाव देखी नियो, निजर नोट्स रेडी कर नियो, जहाँ डाउट्स अच्छे मत कमेंट बॉक्स रे बा निजर क्वेरीज पठेइबो, और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नेक्स्ट टाइम में पठेइबी। एति थैंक यू, गुड बाय, जय हिंद।